From the home screen, we'll go to service, scroll down to security, and default is going to be 1111. Okay, security is enabled, so we want that on. We're going to go back again, and we're going to go to operator. We're going to do we're going to go to manage operators. We go 1111. That's the default passcode. And we're going to hit add operator. On your screen, it's just going to show operator 1. If you hit add operator, make sure you hit master. Go back, type in your name. I did operator 2 and your key code. That's where you type in your custom key code. Hit OK once you enter that key code. You want to go back. And log out because you're currently under 1111. And we are going to go to our second operator that we just created. I made this passcode 4173. Manage operators 4173. Operator 1, and we can delete that default passcode. 1111 will be gone. Now, when we turn the machine off, if we wait 30 seconds, next time we turn the machine on, it's going to only turn the machine on with our operator 2 passcode that we just set. 1111 will no longer work. After that, you can add as many operators and passcodes that you'd like. Let's see here, a couple more seconds. So this gives you 30 seconds to get in and out of the machine. If you get in and turn the machine on within 30 seconds, it's not going to queue you for that passcode. That's adjustable as well in the settings. I believe out to over 30 minutes you can wait. Let's try 1111. Let's see if that works. So that's not going to work anymore since we changed it. We deleted that profile. So let's do the passcode that I created. And we're rocking. So if we wanted to add more passcodes or operators, manage operators 4173, because we're the master, and add operator. Here, you can either do standard or master. Master is going to allow you a little bit more access to the controls and profiles of the machine, as well as the ability to delete other operators. Let's give myself a key code of 1 2 3 4. Let's make a master as well. Everything looks good. There's Jared in there now. Go back out. We're going to log out of the 4173. So now if I turn the machine off, next time it asks me for a code, I can either do operator 1 or operator 2 with 2 separate passcodes. All right.